Hey guys, it's Vanessa Bencourt with John L. Scott and the Bencourt Group. Welcome to my newest listing here in Kent. You guys are gonna love this one, come on. This gorgeous property is located at 27300 110th Avenue Southeast in the heart of Kent. As soon as you walk in, you will feel right at home with its beautiful open concept living space. Its elegant kitchen perfect for any chef, high vaulted ceilings, and huge picture windows. This beautiful rambler sits on over an acre and a half. It offers over 2,500 square feet of living space, 2 bedrooms, a spacious master bedroom with a beautiful bathroom to match. You will love entertaining in the covered outdoor kitchen area while you enjoy the beautiful landscaping. Or host your guests in the restored barn that is perfect for any special occasion. The barn house offers a full kitchen, bathroom, large living space that could also be used as a guest house or a rental. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. To schedule your private tour, call me, text me, or email me, and I will see you guys soon.